So $1 trillion wiped out from the stock market. But the good part is that we are seeing the stock market already rebounding. That's why my prediction for Monday, and this is Sunday today, my prediction is that Bitcoin will see a huge pump because we didn't break the 66 resistance, which would make a lower low. We are still in a higher low and making higher highs. That's why I think Monday will be green. Bitcoin should pump to 71,000, and I think the next week we will see a new Bitcoin all-time high because stock market will definitely be going up. And looking at the fact that gold price is still soaring, gold is making new all-time highs. That's why it doesn't make sense for Bitcoin to start going lower. As we are in the Q4 of 2024, this is the most bullish time for crypto and Bitcoin historically. I don't see how we are going lower. Everything is indicating that we are going higher. That's why be prepared for Monday. Bitcoin will most likely go to 71,000. Meme coins will be pumping. Everything will be pumping. That's my personal prediction. And again, there is nothing that I am bearish about if we are talking about crypto and Bitcoin. Everything seems to be bullish. The summer is over. People are following the news, following the Bitcoin, the Forbes, all the biggest mainstream media companies are writing about Bitcoin. They're talking about new all-time highs. So I don't fade the crypto. These are the last days, last weeks that we can buy crypto cheap. Everything is very cheap. I think we are close to seeing a 10x on average for the top 100 coins, top 100 crypto projects on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. If you are looking and researching lower projects that are doing work, basically working on their projects, building stuff, and you understand that they are undervalued, that's where the biggest return of your investment will come. That's why I always telling you, do your own research. Don't keep your money in meme coins. I personally keep my money in meme coins for max 3 days to 1 week. I still think the presidential meme coins will do really great in the next 3 to 5 days. After that, I will exit my meme coin positions and I will start putting all of that money, all of those gains in legit projects like gaming, AI, maybe even NFTs, but I think NFTs will start going up later. But still, if you are for the long term, you should do research great projects. You can go on cryptorank.io and see, for example, A16Z portfolio. You can see where Binance Labs are investing, where Animoca Brands is investing, and do your research. I think these will be the best projects with the greatest ROIs, and there are so many underrated, undervalued projects with low market caps. That's why do your research, and thanks for watching.